Biology is the study of life. The word biology is derived from the Greek words bios, meaning life, and logos, meaning study. In general, biologists study the structure, function, growth, origin, evolution, and distribution of living organisms. Biology is important because it helps us understand how living things work and how they function and interact on multiple levels. According to the Encyclopedia Britannica opens in new tab. Advances in biology have helped scientists do things such as develop better medicines and treatments for diseases, understand how a changing environment might affect plants and animals, produce enough food for a growing human population, and predict how eating new food or sticking to an exercise regimen might affect our bodies. Cell theory is the principle that all living things are made of fundamental units called cells, and all cells come from pre-existing cells. Gene theory is the principle that all living things have DNA, molecules that code the structures and functions of cells and get passed to offspring. Homeostasis is the principle that all living things maintain a state of balance that enables organisms to survive in their environment. Evolution is the principle that describes how all living things can change to have traits that enable them to survive better in their environments. These traits result from random mutations in the organism's genes that are selected via a process called natural selection. During natural selection, organisms that have traits better suited for their environment have higher rates of survival, and then pass those traits to their offspring.